Hello again. So today we're reading about Salvador Dali. After this reading, we will answer an exit ticket based on what we read. Salvador Dali was born 1904 and died 1989. So let's start. Who was Salvador Dali? Spanish artist and surrealist icon Salvador Dali is perhaps best known for his painting of melting clocks, The Persistence of Memory. Dali was born Salvador Felipe Jacinto Dali y Dominic on May 11, 1904, in Figueres, Spain. From an early age, Salvador Dali was encouraged to practice his art, and he would eventually go on to study at an academy in Madrid. In the 1920s, he went to Paris and began interacting with artists such as Pablo Picasso, René Magritte, and Miro, which led to Dali's first surrealist phase. He is perhaps best known for his 1931 painting, The Persistence of Memory, showing melting clocks in a landscape setting. The rise of fascist leader Francisco Franco in Spain led to the artist's expulsion from the surrealist movement, but that didn't stop him from painting. Art school and surrealism. In 1922, Dali entered at the Academia de San Fernando in Madrid. He stayed at the school's student residence and soon brought his eccentricity to a new level, growing long hair and sideburns and dressing in the style of English aesthetics of the late 19th century. During his time, he was influenced by several different artistic styles, including metaphysics and cubism, which earned him attention from his fellow students, though he probably didn't yet understand the Cubist movement entirely. And this can all be found on biography.com. So we have a few vocabulary words. The first one is surrealism. Surrealism was a cultural movement which developed in Europe in the aftermath of World War I. The movement is best known for its visual artworks and the contrasting effect of uncommon imagery. Vocabulary word number 2, surrealist. An artist that practices surrealism in the artwork. Surrealist, an artist that practices surrealism in the artwork. Vocabulary word number 3, cubism. Cubism is a style of art which aims to show all of the possible viewpoints of a person or an object all at once. It is called cubism because the items represented in the artworks looks like they are made out of cubes and other geometrical shapes. So that is a quick briefing of Salvador Dali. And now we're going to look at a few of his artworks. So here we have The Face of War, created in 1941. We have Elephants, created in 1948. And then here is The Persistence of Memory, created in 1931. So this is one of his most famous artworks. So for our Salvador Dali inspired art project, we're actually going to create something along the lines of what he created in 1948 with elephants, where he took the elephant as a normal sized elephant and then he elongated the legs. That's what is inspired by our project for this week. Stay tuned.